We're going to open up this box of 35mm Kodak UltraMax 400, load it in a couple of cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film stock so you know what to expect from it. First up, we're going to grab the edge of the box here, open it, and pull it off. This way, if you have a camera that has a film memo holder in it, you can slide the end of the box into that memo holder so you know what kind of film you're shooting while you have it in your camera. Take out the plastic tub and the 35mm cassette. If your camera has an automatic loading and advancing system like this one does, open up the back of the camera, drop the cassette into the film chamber over here, and pull out a leader and place it with the end at the orange index. Close the back of the camera, and now the camera will advance the film as you take your photos. Some cameras like this have some silver pins inside of them, and those read the DX code that is built into the cassette over here. That tells the camera how fast it is. This camera does not have those. If your camera does not have those, be sure to set the film speed manually. This is a 400 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same thing. If your camera has a manual advance like this one does, the first thing we're going to do is open up the back of it, drop the film into the cassette chamber over here, and push the forks back into place. Next, we're going to pull out the leader and feed it into the take-up spool. Put our fingers over the sprockets like this, advance once, close the back of the camera, and advance now to frame number 1. Remember to set your film speed to 400. ISO and ASA are the same thing. Now, some sample photos taken with UltraMax 400 so you know what to expect from this film stock.